recording? Oh, I did that.
Yes, you did it. Oh, no, Tina, do it. You can't do it.
What the hell are you doing?
You know how to Tina's like, do it. Look right now.
You guys are coming too close.
How bad?
Alright, that's a little too close.
No, Jenny, do it. Jenny's gonna look. No. No, Jenny, do it. She told me. Do it. What is this?
Poor Jenna comes out of nowhere.
Oh, she doesn't like cute. She doesn't look like she's so skinny. She's like, oh, that's the kind of Wait, what is this? I don't know. For fun. No, do look what I can do. Do it. How do you do it? I don't know, just do it. You just gotta have it. Wait, no, I can do it. So do it. Look, I can do it. No, I can do it.
This is what you do when you get here very early and you have nothing to do.
We do have something to do. We're doing it right now, right?
I said this is what you do when you have nothing to do.
You know what? You know what? Kiss. And this. And these two. And wait, and these two. Well, you kiss.
Alright, that was the moment.
Whenever you want to stop. That was it?
Oh.
Are we done?
Are you finished or?